Okay, here we go. This is an alpha particle. It's an electron, has a mass of 0, and has a charge of -1. Alpha particle. This is a beta particle. It looks like helium, so we're going to call it helium. It has a mass of 4 and a charge of +2. Alpha particle, beta particle. Now, the first problem, I marked this out because I accidentally already did it and then I messed up the video, so I need to start over. So anyway, this is potassium, and it's 42 potassium, which means its mass is 42. The number on top is the mass. So, this is a yield sign, and it basically means subtract. So you are subtracting 1 alpha particle from 42 potassium. This is its mass, this is its charge. You see that you don't have a charge right here? Well, if you go over to the periodic table and go to K, right above it, you can't see that, but it says 19. It has 19 protons. So what you can do is you can go below and you can write 19 if you want as a reminder. So this has a charge of 19 and 42 mass. So this is basically a subtraction sign. What you're going to do is 42 minus 0. You get 42. It still has a mass of 42. You didn't subtract anything. And now 19 subtract -1 is the same thing as 19 plus 1. So you're adding 1 proton, which means the whole element is completely going to change. You went from 19 to 20. So you went from potassium to calcium. So since you're now at 20, you need to write calcium. The answer is 42 calcium. And the next one. 239 plutonium yield 1 beta particle equals what? So for right here, the mass of this plutonium is 239. And you're subtracting 4. So 239 minus 4 is what? 235? Yeah. And what's the atomic number of plutonium? What's its charge? Well, let me find out in the periodic table. I didn't do this one yet. I forget. Where is it at? Here it is. It's all the way down here. You can't see that, but its atomic number is 94. So 94 subtract 2. You now have 92. Which means you need to go back 2 elements. 1, 2. Now you're at uranium. Boom. The answer is 235 uranium. And now the third one. 235 uranium. And its atomic number is 92. What does it have to get rid of to get to 231 and 90? So, what do you have to subtract from 235 to get to 231? You have to subtract 4, right? Yeah. And then what do you have to subtract from 92 to get to 90? 2. Which one does this look like? An alpha particle or a beta particle? 4, 2. 4, 2. You're yielding a beta particle. 4, 2. Helium. There. And those are the first 3 problems. And if you have any more questions, I guess you could just text me or call me or